In this video, we'll be walking through how to create multiple AWeber lists and dive into some key insights on how this can benefit your email marketing strategy. Stick around until the end because we've got some great alternatives to AWeber that might better suit your needs and even offer better features for your goals. First off, when you're using AWeber, creating multiple lists is a straightforward process. You just need to log into your AWeber account, navigate to the Lists section, and click on Create a List. AWeber makes it easy to get started, but there are a few things to keep in mind when setting up each list to ensure you're staying organized and efficient. Next thing to consider is understanding the purpose of each list. It's crucial to know exactly what kind of audience you're targeting with each list. For instance, you might create one list for a specific product or service, and another for a different demographic or interest. This segmentation ensures you're sending the right message to the right people and improving your engagement. The third thing to focus on is your opt-in process. When setting up multiple AWeber lists, you'll need to create different sign-up forms for each one. You can do this by using AWeber's drag-and-drop form builder, which allows you to customize your opt-in forms to match the needs of each list. While AWeber's form builder is easy to use, the flexibility is a little limited when compared to some of its competitors. Keep that in mind if you're looking for more advanced customization options. The fourth thing to note is how you organize your email campaigns. AWeber allows you to create automated email sequences for each list, but managing multiple lists can sometimes get overwhelming. If you're not careful, it's easy to get your lists and campaigns mixed up. A good strategy here is to label your campaigns clearly and give each one a distinct name based on the list they belong to. But be cautious, because as AWeber grows in complexity, you might find it harder to manage multiple lists effectively compared to more specialized platforms. Now let's talk about analytics. AWeber provides decent tracking for open rates, click-through rates, and overall campaign performance. However, the reporting interface isn't as intuitive as some other tools out there. It's a bit of a learning curve when trying to manage detailed reports for multiple lists. If you're looking for in-depth analytics that give you easy-to-understand, actionable insights for multiple lists, AWeber may leave you wanting a bit more. Next up, let's talk about customer support. AWeber does offer 24/7 support, which is great if you need help with setting up your lists or troubleshooting any issues. However, some users report that response times can be slow and the level of expertise can sometimes vary. If you're working with multiple lists, you might find yourself needing support a little more often, so consider how crucial that support speed is to your overall operation. And the final point about AWeber is that while it's a solid tool for creating multiple lists, it may not be the most efficient option for managing large-scale operations. If you have a substantial number of lists or subscribers, you might run into limitations, especially when compared to other platforms that specialize in handling large volumes of data. Now, before we wrap up, I'll tell you why AWeber might not be the best fit for your goals if managing multiple lists is your priority. There are a couple of alternatives that actually offer better management features, and the great news is that we have exclusive deals and free trials available for you through our link. These tools are also better suited for more advanced features and automations if you need them. So, while AWeber might work for some, you'll want to check out the competitors I've linked below, and trust me, they're offering something that AWeber doesn't. With these alternatives, you'll get access to exclusive benefits and a free trial that's tailored to our viewers. You'll be able to take advantage of all the great features without committing upfront. If you're serious about creating multiple email lists and automating your email marketing, don't miss out on those alternatives, and click the link below to get your best free trial today.